We are at Cebu Airport right now. Fleur almost forgot her vest in the taxi. And we are about to take the flight now. We made it through security. It's time for boarding. And I had so much stress because she was taking a shit for like 20 minutes. So I was searching the whole airport to find Fleur. Next time you get a leech. We arrived in Manila and are booking a taxi right now via Grab. We arrived at our new hotel. It's one of these apartments and check-in time is 2 p.m. and right now it is 10 a.m. so we have to wait 4 hours and they are not very friendly here. We cannot leave our luggage. They don't have free Wi-Fi, only in the room. So now we have to wait here for like 4 hours or something. It's a little bit weird, yeah. So I'm gonna contact booking.com and let's see what we can do. Because yeah, this is a little bit weird, right? It's 60 euros for 2 nights instead of 30, which it said on the booking. So you already pay like double because of the taxes, which is also really weird. This is not a recommendation. We are chilling in the store right now and we got a pistachio and biscoff donut. And we have to wait here for like 3 or some hours. Let's go for the haircut. Just went to the barber. I'm fresh again. And now we're grabbing an iced coffee right here. It looks so good here. And the barber was only 300 pesos. And in Netherlands I paid 3,000 pesos. So it's only €4.50. I've got a caramel frappe. It looks really good. Fleur got a caramel macchiato. Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, an ice macchiato.
Ice macchiato, caramel. I would stir a little bit. Ooh. After waiting 2 hours, we had to pay another 400 pesos and we finally can enter our room. And yeah, we just wait here on the stair. No one tells us where our room is. It's a little bit weird. Oh, it stinks like shit. Ugh. Ugh. It stinks like armpits. Like the humid, sweaty armpits. Ugh. Oh, a little bit hard. Okay. This is the bed. In the bathroom. Yeah, this looks okay. But they can treat you much better. I mean, the staff is not friendly at all. They don't even smile at you. They don't help you. It's really weird. We just booked our flight to Bangkok and it was 500 euros total, so a little expensive as well. But I already booked like 5 times for cheaper and it every time got cancelled, so we had no other options. Now we're walking to the mall to buy some lunch. These are some very rich streets. It looks very luxe. It's almost like New York or something. The Lair?
Bel Air.
Bel Air. There's also an American fighter jet. Crazy. And then one street further you got the slums, like the normal streets of Manila, instead of these very rich streets. The contrast is huge. We are in the 7-Eleven again, looking for some nice toasties. We just went to the 7-Eleven and we got some cheese pepperoni toasty. It's already warm. And I also got a cookie and cream shake. Oh, so cute. They're trimming the dog. The big one over here. Alright, let's find some dinner. It looks so rich here, it's crazy. It's like a whole different Manila. With these palm trees and these 2 lanes, it's beautiful. We are at Angel's Pizza right now and we have the double deal. So we only paid 500 pesos for 2 medium pizzas and this drink. The pizza was really good. We are very full.
It's really good.
And it's also a little bit chilly right now outside. It's not cold at all, but it's a little bit colder.
In my opinion, it's cold. Now it's cold.
And now we're going to the cinema because we want to go tomorrow to the movie Hopper. The cinema is located somewhere in this huge building. It is huge here. Look at this. Rolex, the casino, Omega, all the expensive stores. The So store, love it. And the cinemas are on 4F, so it's at least 4 floors of these type of stores and buildings. Wow, this is so amazing. I think we can spend there all night and maybe tomorrow as well. Wow, it's huge. It is so big.
Over here you can drink unlimited beer.
Unlimited beer, oh.
Yeah, for one price.
I don't like beer. And even here's a McDonald's. It's like the fourth one. We're in search for the cinema. So we just asked it at the cinema and it is in English. So tomorrow we will go to the cinema.
Yay.
Yeah. Okay, the apartment itself, it's okay. But the host is weird with saving the energy here. I mean, it's good to save energy and turn off the AC when you're away, all that stuff. Over here you got all these light switches and everything or almost everything was turned down. So if you want to take the shower, you have to turn it up. If you want to cook, you have to turn it up. Everything is turned off. It's really weird. And also the fridge. I thought it was just on, right? I mean, it's a fridge. It's always cool, right? So I put in my drink and I was like, it's not cold. It's still a little bit warm. And I checked it and it was just turned off. So I put it to the max right now to make it cool. But I mean, take a look at this. This is duct taped. This is looking really nasty. And it smells real nasty as well. I mean, that's logic if you turn it off all day. I mean, yesterday it was cool. Then you turn it off, new visitors come. They don't notice it's off. And then it's starting to smell. It's like, ugh. And also these mattresses are really hard. Like, I hope I'm gonna sleep tonight. Okay, so I put on the fridge. And it's still not cold after like a few hours. The plug is not even in there. Bruh.